Hi there and hello, it's Bonita and I am the artist and creator of Teacup Girl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now today I have a rather belated video for you. It's a collection reveal for the Garden Bouquet release, but as you might already know, I did this release last Sunday on the 24th of July, so yes, it's a whole week late. However, I thought it could still be helpful for anyone who might be a little bit on the fence about some of these designs. Maybe they want to see how they look under different light. Maybe they're not sure on the sizing. I'm here to give you all those juicy details right now in this video, so I hope that you enjoy it anyway. So without further ado, shall we jump in? Now the first piece for this collection that I would like to talk about is the title piece, which is the Garden Bouquet design. The Garden Bouquet design went through several variations while I was thinking about it. And quite honestly, it ended up being a rather lengthy design to get done, mostly because I was really picky about the colours and the textures and the finishes and the balance and overall harmony of the piece. It's quite a complex piece, so it was really important to me that it was actually balanced properly. And so I have two colourways for this design. We've got the pastel colourway, which I called the Dawn Pastels, I think, and then, excuse my bad handling. And then we also have the Summer Brights colorway. And I did a video, these are the pieces that I did in the last vlog. This is the design I was working on. And I spoke a little bit more about how much trouble I had with these pieces when I was doing that. So I won't go too much into that detail now. If you want to see my ups and downs and the fact that this thing was driving me crazy, just click on the vlog and I will leave a link so that you can go through and see that after you watch this video. But for now, this is the final result and I'm quite happy with these pieces. I really love it's actually really hard to show you two of these at once, so I'll put one down. I really love how thin that this piece turned out overall, but I like the fact that it still has a very much layers of dimensionality to it. And as always, capturing the beauty of these acrylics on camera is really, really hard. They need the light to shine, and particularly with this pastel piece, it has a lot of subtle colors in it and a lot of subtle textures, but it's just really, really pretty and I love it so much. I also really, really love this color combination of like the pistachio pastel green and this like various ombre shades of pink. Mwah! It's delicious. As you know, I'm a pastel fiend, so I love how this piece turned out. Now, the thing about this Garden Bouquet design was that I was like, well, I have all these ideas for little things that could go with it. So I ended up doing a couple of variations on it. And one of those was the ladybug variation. So we also have the pastel and Summer Brights, the Dawn and Summer Brights colorway with ladybugs on it. The Dawn pastel comes with the orange mirror ladybug because I think the softness of the orange really complements the pastel colors in this piece. And then obviously with the Summer Brights, I had to go with a bright red mirror ladybug because it just pops beautifully. I was a little concerned that there was too much mirror on this piece when I was making it, but I think it works. So I'm really happy with how that turned out. Now for our limited edition piece in this collection, I had to go back to a perennial Teacup Girl favorite, which is our bees. I thought that the bee would look really cute on the Garden Bouquet piece, and I don't think I'm wrong. Do you? Anyway, there are limited quantities of these designs. I am only making 20 of the Garden Bright colorway with a bee and 20 of the Dawn pastels with a bee. So there are 40 of these pieces altogether, but once they are sold out, they are gone. They are not coming back. These will also come with limited edition badges on the back so that you know that this piece is a special piece and will not be available ever again. Once these limited edition pieces sell out, that's it, they're gone. And they're cute. I just love our little bumblebee friend. Now, for those of you that like the idea of the Garden Bouquet, but maybe want something a little bit simpler, I thought we would offer another option, which is our Peony Spray. So this is just a simplified, reduced version of our Garden Bouquet. I really, really like how this one turned out though. I think it's nice to have the option sometimes for something a little quieter As you can see, that's the sort of sizing that we've got going here. And I think this lends itself really, really well to double broaching. You could very easily add like a butterfly or a bird. Hummingbirds would look really pretty with this design, bees, whatever you have in your collection that you like to double brooch with flowers. This brooch is absolutely ideal for that. I think it also makes a really nice collar brooch as well if you're into that. I'm really digging like the crescent moon shape that this design has, so I really like how this turned out. And obviously again we have the two colorways, Dawn Pastel and Summer Brights, and I think that this piece, love it. It's also at a slightly lower price point for those who are broaching on a budget. So if you are looking for something that is that little extra special treat but doesn't break the bank, then your Peony Spray is a really good piece for that. Now, obviously, if I'm doing bees, I have to have some more bee pieces up. So we've kept our sweet straw bees in the shop. They will not be up any longer after this release is sold out. Once we've run out of stock for these, that's it, they are gone. But for now, they are available with our Garden Bouquet Collection. And I just thought it would be a nice thing to do because we obviously have our Garden Bouquet with a bee. Now we have our strawberries with a bee. And this piece was not actually shown on video. I didn't get a chance to do a collection reveal for this design, so I think it has to have its own time to shine. It really is just a lovely, lovely piece. I am just obsessed with how the light interacts with the different elements of the strawberries. This strawberry has such a subtle glimmer to it. It's got glitter and just delicious chef's kiss. The colors are brilliant and I love this one so much. Now, as we're on the subject of bees, I should do a special mention for our Be Prepared piece. This one is a pretty big favorite at Teacup Girl. It has been going for a while and it has been around for a couple of years now, but it is still a piece that we sell on a regular basis. However, it will not be staying up in the shop for very much longer, so even though you've probably already seen this design before, if you've had your eye on it and you want to snap it up before it disappears, now is the time. So to show you the piece, it's another one that's still quite thin. It has this delicious layering effect. I really love the layering on the bottom here because it changes the way that this translucent frosted green looks. And obviously that little bee buddy is so sweet and so cute. Now, while I'm doing all these pieces with extra bees on them, I couldn't leave out my ladybug friends. So as you can see here, we have the white or snow forget-me-nots with a ladybug. This piece is not limited edition, so you will be able to get it for a while. I don't know when these pieces will be going from the shop. We'll just have to see, but I wouldn't hang around too long if I were you, because I'm not sure how long I'm going to have these up. So there's that. We also have, if you are not interested in the ladybug version, we have our regular forget-me-not size. This is the large forget-me-not in snow, and I just really love how this particular piece came out. The snow white forget-me-nots just, they glow. And I love it so much. This is our small version of the snow forget-me-nots. And as you can see, comparatively, it's quite a bit smaller, which is great if you love a more dainty brooch. Or again, for double broaching, it's fantastic because it leaves you some space to be able to add other elements and tell a whole story with it. So this is a really great piece for double broaching with. Now, you might think that, oh gosh, she should almost be done. But when there's one forget-me-not, there's more. So I also have some earrings, forget-me-not stud earrings, and we have forget-me-not drop earrings as well. I don't have a pair of forget-me-not drop earrings drilled up because my staff member who does the drilling, Nicola, she's amazing. She went away on a trip to Sydney and I haven't been able to get her to help me with that yet. So we've just got these little guys waiting for the earring findings, but as you can see, I mean, they're going to be cute. There's no doubt about it. These ones are going to be drop earrings. Yeah, I can't wait to wear those. I think they're going to be awesome. So those are the earrings that will be coming with the Forgive Me Nots. Now, last but not least, I did advertise, besides the bees and the ladybugs, that there would be butterflies. So we have a Flutterby butterfly pin, which is basically just a butterfly pin that you can add to whatever you like, and we have them in a huge assortment of colours. Like, add actual literal rainbow, there's 10 different colours. So I'll try to be quick showing you all the colours because I'm sure you're going to get bored. But here we have purple mirror, which I love. I think that's really pretty. And we have blue mirror. This is like a very royal sapphire blue. It is very, very, very deep and brilliant. Then we have our teal green mirror butterfly. And I think this one's really pretty. I am such a sucker for that teal green. It just, I'm obsessed. They have emerald green mirror butterfly. And surprisingly enough, our green butterflies have been really popular, which just kind of surprised me because I'm like, is green really a butterfly colour? Maybe I'm missing something here. I don't know. Anyway, I think they're beautiful. So, let's continue on. We have our yellow mirror butterfly, of course. We have an orange mirror butterfly, and this is the same orange mirror as the ladybug. So it matches, and that's really cute. We have red mirror, and this is the ruby red mirror like the ladybug as well. Then I have this dark pink, kind of almost a fuchsia colour. So that's quite a deep pink, and it's really pretty. I have a lighter pastel cherry blossom pink, which I think is just gorgeous. And last but definitely not least, we have our rose gold mirror butterfly, and I think that one's gorgeous too. So let me see if I can hold this up to you. Oh, they're sliding. So that's a whole tray of butterflies right there, and there's literally almost any colour that you could possibly want. I'm sure there are more colours that I could do, but I thought, you know what, 10 is enough. We'll stick with that. So there we have it. Now, whew, that was a bit to get through, but I hope that gave you a nice idea of what we have available in the shop right now. And if you would like to see more, just go over to teacupgirl.com, and those pieces are available for you to purchase and bring home to your brooch collection drawers. I know that mine are getting rather overfull and flowing, and at one point I should probably do like a brooch collection video, which might be something interesting. Let me know if you want to see that. Just write a comment down below. Go yay or nay to the brooch collection tour, because I think that could be kind of fun, although it would be a very, very long video, so you would have to strap in for that. Anyway, it's been great seeing you, and if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this collection showcase, and if you liked that, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos from Teacup Girl, hit the subscribe button down below and turn on all notifications so that you know when our next video comes out. And with that, I shall see you all later. Bye for now!